Good morning everyone. So how are you guys doing today? So today we're going to be doing a what are we doing today actually?
It's an F21 BMW 3 Series. So basically we're gonna replace the screen with the Android screen.
Yeah.
You know, and also put a reverse camera into the screen as well.
So this is the old screen, so we're getting that replaced. Okay, so everything's been wired, so we just need to close everything, we'll fit it and then close everything. There we go, so everything's been put back in. There's the new screen. See that? So the new screen, what does the new screen have? Is it Android?
So the customer decided to put a dash cam in his car. So
that's the dash cam.
Putting the dash cam here. We have Google Play Store, Google Maps, a couple of other things. This is the coolest bit. As it goes up. So here you can have a YouTube, Netflix.
Yeah, so that was job done. How long did that take us? Like an hour and a half?
Yeah, an hour and a half.
Are we still going to the other one?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, there's another one that we need to go to, and that's in Leeds. Just closing everything back up, and then we should be done. So we'll show the owner how it works and everything, and then we'll bounce. Okay, so we're just done with the job, so we're about to set off to the new one.
Yeah.
So just a breakdown of the piece.
I mean, it was a good job. 180.
He got three things installed in it. So it was the screen, the reverse camera, and then the dash cam.
Yeah.
Okay.
So three, yeah.
So, and all those three things he bought from
in-car Android.
In-car Android. So he had two jobs today. So the other one, I thought it was going to be in Leeds, so it's actually in Burnley, which is actually closer.
An hour 12 minutes drive.
So yeah, that's not too bad actually.
Damn.
So yeah, I'm just setting up now. So I'll update you guys in a bit. I don't know what you call it. I forgot what you call it. You know, those road things that you can stop by.
For all you doesn't know, so this is a service station.
Yeah, service station, that's the word. Yeah. We're at the next work now. He's doing the front over there, and I'm doing the reverse camera. So this one was a lot easier than the other one. Should be done in about 30 minutes. And then we just need to put that front screen in. Okay, so second job done. To be fair, we were done like 5 minutes ago. We were just packing all the stuff. So he's currently just showing the owner of the car how the new stuff that we've put in and how it all works and everything. So on this one we put the reverse camera, the new screen. In the last minute we put a dash cam. So yeah, he's just currently going through all the details of how it works. So we're just about to leave. This guy, man, he dragged it too long, man.
Who, me?
Yeah.
How?
Just showing the fucking thing, bro.
Yeah, but the guy had 2 cars, all right? In fact, he's got 3 cars, okay? So he said we can come back in 2 weeks and fit the second one in. See that dragging too long, you guess what? Another payday, man. Another payday. What if you're driving for too long, bro? Gonna run businesses out here, man. You know what I mean?
So yeah, so breakdown. So this guy, it was an X1, X5.
X1, yeah.
X1 that we did, BMW X1. So we got a reverse camera done and a new screen installed.
And then upselling with a dash cam, upselling with a CarPlay dongle as well. Yeah. How much is that? That's like nearly 150 quid upsell. Come on, you should know this, man. Salesman, bro.
So what was the total thing do you reckon you made on this one?
So total profit on this one, so after I pay the company, pay the accessory and whatnot, I'll set the company, the screen is 415. Shit.
What?
1 second. I think I undercharged him. 1 second, yeah.
It's because you're chatting bare, man. You even fucked up. You finished your own self.
Shut up. Plus 15 plus 45. Nope, I didn't.
Yo,
no.
Oh my god.
I didn't.
But yeah, so today was a long day.
I mean, 2 installation, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, 2 installation done, which is sweet.
Not bad,
Nice
normally it's
money
meant to be 3. Like, that's the aiming at 3 installation a day.
And then obviously off this one, the good thing about this one, you got more work from this one, isn't it?
Average speed check zone ahead.
No, I think it's
So
been the same amount. It's just
No,
like,
no, I mean like you managed to get like now he wants you to do his
yeah, so he wants to
car.
do like his other cars as well, yeah.
So yeah.
I mean, yeah, that's the whole point. You get what I mean?
Okay, so I just got home. Yeah, so I just want to quickly break down the cost of everything. We had 2 jobs today. First one was a BMW F21. It's an estate. So he wanted a reverse camera, a screen, and then a dash cam installed. Okay, that was done. That took us about an hour and a half to complete. And then we went on to the second job. Second job took us around, to be fair, another an hour and a half, or maybe even quicker. This one also wanted the screen and the reverse camera, and then he decided to go ahead with the dash cam afterwards. So I'm not going to break down the costs of how much they pay for the screen, reverse camera, and the dash cam. To be fair, I don't really know what that is. So basically, the first job, I think he mentioned he was around 180. Second job, I don't know what he said for the second job. The way the installation works, so they normally come to him. If he has to go out to people, depending on how far it is, he might charge you like a traveling cost or whatever. 360 for what? 3 hours? He made 360. Okay, and obviously that's not counting. That was just for installing. That's not counting reverse camera and all those stuff that they paid on top. So 360, 3 hours work. That's very, very good. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. Share it to your friend. If you're not subscribed to the first channel, please head over to Wassy Boy and subscribe. If you're not subscribed on Wassy Boy 2.0, subscribe to this channel as well. I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm Wassy Boy, signing out.